Hello, IC kids. Welcome to Yellow Class, a leading new age fun learning platform to pursue your hobbies. So we are going to learn today something which actually will scratch your heads. Yes. So you know what are we going to do today? Yes. Okay. A lot of you have checked the title before joining. I give a thumbs up for that. Yes. Because that way our mind is half prepared that what we are going to get into it, right? Okay, so you are in session with Nandita Ma'am and we are going to do a lot of puzzles today. Yes. So what all puzzles we are going to do? You know, we will do matchstick puzzle, we will do some counter puzzles, and we will do some activities also. Yes, something crazy activities. Yes. So as to close our session, you can say at the end of it. Yes. All right. Okay. And let me ask you, why we do puzzles or we say that we should do such activities? Yes. Why it is necessary for us? You know why it is necessary? They are necessary because they stimulates our mind. Because when we solve them, their solution are not something very typical. Yes, that we learn in our normal math curriculum or in a normal math class. Yes, it's not like always it will be given what is 2 plus 2. So everybody knows it's 4. No, there will be some twist into it, which actually creates a lot of anxiety, curiosity, and hence it becomes very entertaining for us, right? Yes. So that is the reason we say that we should solve puzzles, because then we try to solve it in a different way. We try to think differently. We try to approach it differently. And you know, when we solve different kinds of puzzles, we get to know different ways also of how to tackle any kind of a question. Yes, and that's how your knowledge keeps on building up. Yes, because all those experiences you can further use in various other upcoming problems or puzzles. Yes, so let's expose ourselves to puzzles, right? Okay, so before we do that, what are we going to do today? First of all, we will do something with hands. Can you guess what it will be? Yes, write in the chat if you can guess. So, some activity with hands. Okay. Some magic. Okay, because I'm doing like this, abracadabra. Yes. Okay, some magic. All right. And some. Yes, we are going to do brain gym. Yes. So, brain gym exercises are excellent for your brain development. We say 360-degree brain development. Okay. So let's see what is our activity. So open your hands like this. And what are we going to do? Let's do it with first one hand. So we are going to touch the tip of our hands like this. Okay. With the thumb. So every fingertip we are going to touch with our thumb. Okay. This way. And you can feel a little bit stress here. Can you feel, everyone? I can feel that, right? So similarly, from the second hand also, you can try once. Right? So this one is a little adamant, naughty one, okay? So I have to keep this finger in observation, not coming on its own. It might happen with you also, see? My finger is doing like that. So yes, I have to give a command from the brain. Do it. Touch it like that. Yes, okay. So you also keep an eye on all of your fingers and then do it. Now, this was a little bit easy. And I said in the beginning that we are going to have a lot of twists in that, right? Okay, so here is the twist. So from the one hand, we are going to touch the first, but from the other hand, it is going to be the little finger. Okay. Now, the next, change the fingers, next and next. Okay, now, right, a little bit confusing now. So it will be this and this will be same. No, something wrong. Let's do it again. All right. Okay. Okay, let's observe. Okay. Now is it fine? Yes? Right. Okay. Now, let's start it again. No, something wrong again. Let's see this. Now. So see, a lot of concentration. I'm not speaking while doing this because all my concentration is on my fingers, right? So yes, it will take a lot of practice, but do it very, very slowly. You have to be very conscious while you are doing it, right? And do it slowly. You don't need to rush it up. And once you do it couple of times, then it will come automatically. See, for the first time when I did, I was not speaking because I was fully concentrated here. Then once I have done that, my brain got a little bit trained in that. And then it was coming a little bit smoother than the first attempt. Yes. So that's how with your multiple attempts, you can get really, really pro in that. Okay. And what are we going to do? You're going to you are going to make a video of it. Yes. And let's see how many times we can do in a small window, like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Yes. And we can challenge each other. So we can play like a game also with our family members or friends. Like you can put a stopwatch of 10 seconds and see how quickly each one of us can do. Yes. Okay. So do this and then regularly make it a habit of doing it. All right. So now we will go to the workstation and we'll start our puzzle, right? Okay. So what are the materials? Let me tell you. It will be a matchstick. You can take matchstick. You can take toothpicks. Okay. A plain sheet of paper is okay. And if you don't have that, you can take the earbuds or any sticks of equal length, right? And in case you don't have anything, which I am telling you, then you can simply take a piece of paper and draw the lines, okay? You can simply draw the lines as well. So see, what are we going to make is, we are going to make the squares, something like this, okay? So start making squares along with me. Yes, everyone, start making it. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time for all of you to make it. Okay, just place close to them. And why it is a square? See, the length of all these are equal, right? That's why we have taken such a thing which has equal lengths. Okay, so I am using total 12 matchsticks and see, my square is ready. Squares are ready. So here comes the first question. How many squares are there in this picture? Yes. Quickly write your answers. Is it 4? All right. Any other answer from anyone? Other than 4, whosoever feels that it is other than 4, they can quickly write that out. Yes. Okay, well, there are total 5. How? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and which is the 5th one? Yes, this big one, isn't it? So for this big square, the length is these 2 matchsticks. Yes, the total length would be the total length of these 2 matchsticks. So total 5 squares are there. Oh, this is not a puzzle, children. This is just a beginning of it. Yes, it's just a trailer, right? Like before a full movie, there is a trailer. So, okay. Now the actual puzzle is this. Okay, the actual puzzle is that we need to move only 2 matchsticks so that we can make 7 squares, right? The sizes of squares may be different. It need not to be similar or same, equal. Okay, so just try out, move 2 matchsticks to make 7 squares. Try that out. Yes, so I'm also trying along with you. Yes, 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 try different combinations. Yes, so those who are doing on paper and they can use the pencil so that they can erase and check. No, this is a triangle. This is not a square. Okay. So what if I take this and let's take this? Now only 1 square. Where should I put this now? Here? Any square I'm having? Only 1 square I'm having here, right? No, I am having these also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, but I have to get 2 more. So think. I'm giving you a hint. Yes, all those steps which I am doing here are to give you a hint. Yes. Do you want to see the answer? Yes. Tell me, everyone. Or you're still trying? Okay. Let's see. All right. See. So anywhere, just pick any 2 from the corner and you can put them anywhere. Now see how many squares I'm having. Let me put it a little bit accurately so that it looks like a square. See? Yes? So in this one, it's like similar to what we created with the bigger one. Yes? So it has 5. These small ones are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This big is 5, 6, and 7. So I got 7 squares by moving only 2 matchsticks, right? Yes, yes, yes. Give a thumbs up. Okay. So now this is done. If everybody is done, quickly do it. Click the picture quickly. Yes. All right. So after this, I'm going to tell you the material for the next one. You need some colored papers. Okay. So let's keep this aside. Okay. So we need some colored papers. And we need such kind of paper in which one side is colored and other is plain. Okay. And in case if you have both-sided colored papers also, don't worry. I'll tell you a solution for that later. Okay. So take any colored paper, take any object with which we can draw a circle. So not a very big circle, something like this of this size. Then you need a pencil to trace that out. And we need scissors. Okay. So we are creating some counters for our 2 activities, right? So we will create about 10 counters. Okay. All right. So let me trace some circle for my activity. Okay. So I will take one paper and I put a circle. See, I'm putting at the corner so that I can fold the paper. I can get multiple. Okay. Let's see here. So I'm tracing at the corner of my paper. See how I will quickly get multiple circles. No need to cut 10 to 10 one at a time, right? Okay. Now, what can I do is, I can fold my paper like this. Then again like this. So it will become a little bit thick, but yes, but you will get a lot of circles in one time. Okay, now again to the size of this, I will fold it. Yes, and now again I will fold it. Okay, so one below the other, I got so many circles. Now I am going to take a little bit big scissor and I'm going to cut that out. Okay, so be very careful, children, while cutting. You should not harm yourself, and very safely we are going to cut all the circles. See, so many layers of circles I am having. So now I will get a lot of circles in one go. Yes. Okay, so let's see. For the first activity, we need only 4. So let's see how many. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got 9. Let's get one more, 10. Okay, so I'm just going to hold it like this, and I will get that. Again, children, you have to be very careful, okay, while cutting. All right, so we got 10. So let's remove all the things, right? Okay, so for the first activity, we need only 4. So I am keeping rest of them aside. Okay, and I'm using only 4 now. Now see, the puzzle is all of these counters are currently having orange side up. Okay, one side is orange and the other is white. Okay, so now all these 4 are arranged in a line. They're for all of them, their similar side is up. Yes. Now what we have to do is we have to turn them into their white part like this. But the condition is we should do so in the minimum number of moves, means the lesser the moves are, okay, then it will be good. And the second condition is, the most important is, every time whenever you take one move, you need to change, you need to flip this counter. Okay, you need to flip 3 of these counters. Okay, I will explain again. See, one move means you need to change the side of 3 counters. Yes. Okay, you need to move 3 counters together. So for example, if I am taking one move, so I need to change at least 3 of them. Okay, then if I'll take next move, so in next move also, I need to change the flip the coin at least. Yes, we need to, for 3 of them, I need to change its side like this. Okay, so if I'll keep on trying, then at the end, what should happen? The white should come. So for example, I need to make white. So 1, 2 I have changed, but this one also I need to change, because at least in any move, I need to flip 3 coins. Yes, in each move, I need to flip 3 coins. Okay, now this one is left. So if I change this, but then any other 2 coins, I need to at least change the side. So see, it is recurring. It is happening again and again. So just try to think how we can do that. All right. So in one turn or in one move, at least 9. Sorry, it is to be that any 3 of the coins must flip, and we need to, the last solution is that all the white side should be up. Currently orange side is up, so we have to see in how many steps we can make all the white sides up. All right, so let's try that out. So let's see. So this is my turn, move 1, in which I am flipping 3 coins. So these 3 I have flipped. Now In next, let's say I do, okay, I target these three, okay, first three. So I will change this and I will change this and this. Okay, now what should I do? If I again do this and this back and I do this, now see only three, one is still remaining. What should I do then? Yes? Keep on trying, you will get a solution. Let's check out how we can do that. Okay, let's observe. So the first move is we are going to take these 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we will take these last 3. Okay, these. I'm putting these so that we know that these needs to be changed. Okay. Right? Now, let's change these 3. Now, did you get that? See, if I change all the sides are now white side. Yes. Right. Okay. Let's come back to the original one. Yes, easy. Let's do that again. So first I am flipping these 3. Okay. Then the last 3. Okay, then first this and this. Third move, and in the fourth move, we got our answer. See, now these 3 oranges, and I need to move 3 together so I can turn all of them down. Dun, 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 we got the answer. Yes. Okay. So now let's ready for the next one. All right. So see. For the next one, what we need to have this kind of a grid. Okay, so everyone can start making this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 squares. All right, we need to have. So make any one, no need to make 2, just make 1, right? All right, so now the task is again, we need counters. Okay. Yes, the counters that we have taken. Let's bring all your counters. Okay, now listen what we need to do. Now, what we need to do is we need to put these into counters into this grid in such a way that in any of the direction, 3 counters should not be in a row. That means it should not happen that counters are in line or any 3 counters are in the same column or any 3 counters are in the diagonal. Okay, so all these positions which I'm showing you, these should not happen. Okay, so what we can do is you can place, that means because it is a 3 by 3 matrix, that means maximum in any row, column or diagonal, you can place maximum 2 counters. Okay, so now tell me, if we do so, that total how many counters can fill in this? Okay, so see something like this. If we try out, if I say, okay, let's put 2 here. Okay, so then can I place 3 here? No, right? Because this is invalid. Okay, now I can place 1 here, correct? Can I place another counter here? No. Can I place another counter here? Yes. No, because 3 in a row. No, no. This is no because diagonal. So I could place only 4. Okay. But yes, I am saying maximum number of counters. So 4 could be like this. Now let's check how I can see some more counters if I can fit in. See, if I do like this, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Here I cannot place. Here I cannot place. Can I place here? Yes. So 2 in the column and 2 in the diagonal. It is so far it is correct. Okay. Now, can I place here? No. 3. Here, no. It will be 3. In the diagonal, it will be 3. Correct? Yes. So can I place here? No. So it has 5. Now, from 4, I reach to 5 counters, right? So let's try more and find out how many I can actually place. Yes, up till 5 we have reached. Let's try out something else. Okay. Now, if this is given to me, okay, up till here, so far condition is okay. Yes, I can put it here. No, because it will be 3 then, right? Can I put my counter here? No, it will be 3. Can I put it here? Yes, 2 in the column, right? And the next one, can I put here? Yes, see, not in the diagonal, I got 3, not in the column, not in the row. So that means maximum 6 I can put. So yes, children, can you see? In this grid of 3 by 3, we can have maximum 6 counters so that there are in any of the row, column or diagonal, we don't have 3 counters in a line. Yes. So maximum 6 counters we can place to get this answer, right? And see how we attempted this, So those attempts, the thought process that we put in, that is important, right? Okay. Yes. So this way we can keep on trying and we can get different answers. Okay. And now let's see, same thing we can now do for a 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. So something like this. So first of all, let's make 4 columns and 4 rows. Okay. And now the same thing we need to do in this also, that none of the 3 counters should be in a line. And now we need to see that how many maximum counters I can place in this 4 by 4 grid. Okay. Right. So same way we can approach here. Maybe I can place 3 like this. Yes, because I don't want to put them in a row exactly. Okay, then maybe I can put it here. Then again, it would be same. So maybe I can change it to this. Okay, then see. Now I cannot put 3rd here. I can put it here and here, right? And then see, this one would be totally blank. Correct? Yes. So see, 2, 2, 2, 2 in this. Then in this diagonal also I'm having 1. In this I'm having 2. So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 counters here. Yes. So yes, children, there would be different ways in which we can represent. Okay. Yes, there would be different ways in which we can represent. Yes. So keep on trying, keep on trying. Yes. So how many counters we can put in without getting 3 in a row? Okay. So let's check some other solution as well. Okay. So let's remove all of them and let's try some other. Okay. Now, if I put it here, then maybe one I can put here and another I can put here. Yes. Now, where can I put the second next one? Let's keep it here, 2. And let's keep it here, 2 again. Yes. Then 2. Because see, if I put it here, then it will be 3. If I put here, it will be 3. So here again. So again, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. So that means in a 4x4 grid, I can put maximum 8 counters so that I don't have 3 counters in a row. Yes, in a line, basically. Yes, whether it's a row, in a column, or in a diagonal. Yeah. Yes. So see, these exercises which have a lot of different ways really help us in finding out our, yes, to do a lot of exercise for our brain. Yes, so it will be different way for each one of us to approach this. It is not going to be similar for, yes, it may or may be similar, but yes, at times it is quite different approaches for all of us. Okay. All right. So let's come to the main screen and let's do some fun time. Yes. Okay. So now what are we going to do? I'm going to show you some letters. Okay. And these are jumbled up. You need to unjumble them and tell me that they make a term which is used in math. Okay. So what is that term? You need to tell me. All right. So for that, I will share my presentation with all of you. Yes. Okay, here we are. So everyone can see this now? Fun time. Yes. Unjumble these letters to get a math word. Okay. So basically a term which is used in mathematics. This is your first word, angel. And you know, these are called math anagrams also, because angel is a word in English which means something. But when I unjumble it, I'll get another term which is being used in mathematics and it has some different meanings. Yes. So quickly, you need to find that out. So close in this. Yes. I can give you a lot of hints for that. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, this is a term which we use in geometry. It is the closest hint I can give you. Yes, it is a term which we use in geometry. Okay. So write in the chat quickly, those who have got that. Okay. That's great, able to crack that. All right, let's see, what is that? It starts with A. It's an angle, right? Yes, okay. An angle, okay. What is an angle if I want to tell you? Okay, let's take an example of scissor. Okay, so scissor, here it is making an angle. And when I hold it like this, so here also it is making an angle. Even I can show it with the fingers also. See, so this is an angle, okay? When two lines join at a point, then they make an angle between them. Okay. Now, are you ready for the next one? Okay, now this one. Acrofort. Yes. So now, unjumble it and find out a term which is used in math. So this is something which is used, you can say, with the times table. Yes, in order to get this, to know this concept, when we learn this concept, then we use the times table. That I can give you a hint. Hint number 1. Yes. All right, keep on trying. Yes. It is not a ratio. No, there is no I in that. And it is a number of letters also should be same. Okay. So you should use all the letters which are given here. Okay, if I give you a hint that it ends with R, now can you try? Yes, it ends with R. And it starts with F. Now, okay, everyone is trying so hard. That's good. Really awesome. And you know what is it? It is a factor. Yes. So, like if I say, what will be the common factor of 4 and 2? A number which, basically a number which divides both of these, 4 and 2. Right? Okay. So it is a factor. Right? Okay. All right. Now the crazy digits. Okay, time to go for a crazy digits. Here it is. Use 4 fours to make 44 using these operators. Okay, so any of the 4 fours you can use. Okay, so with 4 fours you can make various numbers as well. You can make a single digit number. You can make a 4-digit number. Okay. So I will just give you an example. So basically you have to use 4 times. Okay, so with these 4s, you can make either a number 4, you can make a number 44, you can make this, you can make this. Okay, so these are various numbers which you can make. Now, when you make these numbers, now you have to use these operators, okay, in between these numbers so that you get answer as 44. Okay, so your answer should be 44 and you need to decide how you need to place all of them. Yes, that you need to decide how you are going to place all of them so that you get 44 as an answer. So try out various options. Yes. So like I can say, let's do this minus this plus this. So this would be 400 plus 4. No, 404. But I need only 44 as an answer. Correct? So what can I do for that? So 44 plus 44 minus 44, something like that you are thinking, all of you? Yes? Okay, for if I say that you can't repeat same number so many times, then will you try out something else? Yes, yes, yes. So there would be, I will be giving you 2 answers for this, right? Let's clear this and check it. Yeah. So here is the answer. 44 minus 4 plus 4. Okay. So here, if I will solve this first. So I'll get 40 and plus 4. Yes, so I'll get 44. And in this, if I follow the BODMAS rule, so I will divide this first. 1, 44 multiply 1, and I get 44. Yes, so these are the 2 ways in which I can do that, right? So it is a very interesting question, and you can ask your friends. Yes. It will amaze them to, yes, it will make it is quite crazy to find out such different combinations of 4 with which you get this answer. Yes, so a lot of thinking is required, to get the correct answer for this one. Yes. Okay. All right, children. So that's all for our today's session. So how was it? You enjoyed? Yes. So many different activities, so many different questions we have done. right? Okay, so do share your feedback with us. Share your pictures, yes, for all the activities that you have done, and how you are going to do that. Go to the yellow class app. Yes, in the feed option, upload your pictures, or you can upload on social media and tag yellow class, right? And ask your friends to join yellow class with your unique referral code. If you refer more friends, then you will get a chance to win a lot of exciting prizes from yellow class. Okay, so now the time is for our yellow class tip of the day. Today's tip is that one kind word can sometimes can change the entire day for a person. Okay, yes, so even a small one kind word, so that means that we should be kind to people. Yes. So kind in Hindi, it means dayalu. That we should be, we can say, compassionate towards people. We should not be too harsh. So for you people, it could be your friends. Yes, for my little children. Yes, your friends with whom you play, you spend a lot of time. Yes. So for them, don't tease each other, don't bully each other. Okay. All right. So that's all for today's session. And how are we going to say bye? Yes, we are going to say tschüss, which means bye bye in German. Yes. So let's say tschüss. Yes, repeat after me. Tschüss. All right. So keep learning with Yellow Class with Nandita Ma'am. Bye bye, children. Take care.